Alright y'all, TY baby back here with another reaction video. So this reaction video is about Rich Chigga. I don't know if y'all know him. He an artist, a Chinese artist. He weird as fuck. So we gonna go ahead and roll the clip.
Hi. I'm gonna teach you guys how to microwave this bread.
Bread?
Put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds.
Really, bruh? Bruh. Really? 1,000,000 views. This nigga ugly as fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? That was it? That was it. That's how you get 1,000,000 views? Really? Oh, okay.
So you mean to tell me all I gotta do is microwave this loaf of bread? He did one slice. I'm doing the whole loaf, bitch. Rich Chigga, a pussy. I do real nigga shit.